Welcome students. Now in 7th class, all of you are welcome to the 7th class. Now in 7th class, today I am teaching mathematics. Now as you know that in mathematics the first chapter is integer. In class 7 the first chapter is integer. Now as in the lower classes you have already studied about integers. Now integers, before that you had to see that all of you have studied the whole number or the natural number. Now the natural number means from 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. All of you have studied this number which is called the natural number. Now in this, if we add 0, then that will be the whole number. Whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. These are all the whole number. Now in this one, if you take the positive as well as negative number, positive as well as negative number of this number, then that is called an integers. Integers means the set of all positive and negative whole number. Positive and negative whole number. Like z is equal to, it is the set of, in between first you have to write down 0, and then here in the right hand side you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash dash, and here on the left hand side you have to take -1, -2, -3, -4 and dash 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 like this. The set of all these numbers are called an integer. Means the integer is the set of all positive as well as negative number. Now in this one, first topic is the representation of these integers on number line. You have to draw the line like this one, in which you have to put the arrows to both the sides. This is the line. On this line, suppose if we take in the middle, if you will take 0 in the middle, then here on this 0, this side is called the right hand side and this side is called the left hand side. On right hand side, you have to take all positive integer, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. You have to take all positive integers to right hand side, and here on this side, that is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 on left hand side, and in this way the representation of this number on number line, representation of an integer on number line. In this way we can represent. See here, this 0 here is present in the middle. On right hand side all positives value, and on the left hand side all negatives values are present. So in this way we can represent all integers, whatever the integer you require, we can represent these integers on the number line. So here the first question will come that represent any integer. Suppose if the question is represent -8 on number line. Suppose the question is that represent -8 on number line. So you have to draw the number line, and then you have to, here in this way you have to increase this line. You have to see this is -6, then it is -7, and this is -8. In this way we can represent this number on number line. So here the first question will cover that how to represent the integer on number line. Now in connection with this number line, now take example of your exercise 1.1. Now see the question which is given in the book also. Now read the question very carefully. First all of you read this question. Right? What is the question? In the following number line, the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day is given. As you know that the temperature that we can measure in degrees Celsius. In India we can measure the temperature in degree Celsius. So here the temperature of some cities on a particular day, any day is taken, and on that day 5 cities are taken and the temperature are taken on this number line. Now you have to see this is the number line again. In this number line, this is the 0. This is the 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Then this is plus 10. Then 15. 15 means 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then 20, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 25. These are the positive temperature. And on this side, 0, left hand side of 0, negative values are taken. So here the temperature are -1, -2, -3, -4, and this is -5. Then -6, -7, -8, -9. Like this the temperature is given to you. Now this is the question. Now you have to see the question on this number line. Now here, what is the first question? First question is, observe this number line and write the temperature of each place or each city. This is the question. Now again read the question. Observe this number line. This is the number line which is given, and write the temperature of each place, each city. Now first to tell me that what are the 5 cities are given. These are very important cities, like the cities are Shimla, Uti, this is Bangalore, this is Srinagar and Lahore Spiti. These are the 5 cities we have taken. Now the question is, observe this number line and write the temperature of each place. Now first, suppose if you will take the city Shimla, then the Shimla, the temperature of the Shimla is what? Here the temperature is, see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means the temperature of Shimla is +5 degrees Celsius. The temperature of Shimla is +5 degrees Celsius. Now come to the second one. The second city is Uti. The second city is Uti. The temperature of Uti is -11, -11, 12, 13 and 14. So here the temperature of Uti is 14 degrees Celsius. Now the third city is Bangalore. If now in this Bangalore, the temperature is what? See here, this is 20, this is 20, then this is 21 and 22. Therefore, the temperature of this Bangalore is 22 degrees Celsius. Then come here, Srinagar. The Srinagar, this present to the left hand side of 0, it means if the values of this one left hand side of zeros are negative. So here the temperature of Srinagar is, this is -1 and this is -2. It means the temperature of Srinagar, is -2 degrees Celsius. The temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. Now next come to the Lahul Spiti. Lahul Spiti, now see the temperature. This is -5, then -6, -7 and -8. Then this is Lahul Spiti. The temperature is -8 degrees Celsius. So in this way, the question number 1 covered that observe this number 9 and write the temperature of each place. So there are 5 places: Shimla, Uti, Bangalore, Srinagar and Lahul Spiti. And the temperature are, if the temperature is means if the cities are present right hand side of 0, then it is positive. In positive case, if you don't write the positive sign, write down as it is the temperature. This is +5. If you will not put the sign, that will be considered as plus. So here it is +5 degrees Celsius. Uti, the temperature is 14 degrees Celsius. In Bangalore, the temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. In Srinagar, the temperature, as the Srinagar is present to the left hand side of 0, so here the temperature or the values of the Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. You have to put the negative sign. Similarly, in Lahul Spiti, the temperature is again it is present to left hand side of 0. So here we can write the temperature of Lahul Spiti is -8 degrees Celsius. Now, in this way the first question will cover. Now come to the second question. Now second question, what is the temperature between Srinagar, what is the temperature difference between Srinagar and Shimla? What is the difference of temperature between Srinagar and Shimla? You want the difference. Now you have to see, this is -2 and this is +5. So here the difference between of temperature between Srinagar and Shimla. Now you have to see, this is -2. Suppose if you will go like this one, -2, -1, then 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So here in this way you are going to 7 steps. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here if the difference is asked, then the difference between the temperature is 7 डिग्री. दोनों में जो डिफरेंस है वो निकालने के लिए हमें इधर का यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक you have to compare, take the values in between, how much values are covered in between these two. So here in between these two, the 7 values are covered. So here the question is that what is the temperature difference between Srinagar and Shimla? If the difference is asked, then always write the value in positive integer because the difference is asked. So if the difference is asked, if the difference between the temperature between these two cities is 7 degree Celsius. So in this way we can cover this one. And suppose in this one, if I will ask which is the hottest city. So hottest city means you have to go to the right hand side. As you will go to the right hand side, the temperature will go on increasing, and the temperature is go on increasing. So like in this question, if the question is asked that what is the hottest city amongst this one, so Bangalore is the hottest city. And in this one, if it is asked what is the coldest city, coldest यानी सबसे ठंडी जगह कौन सी है, तो जैसे जैसे when you are going to the left hand side, the temperature is going on decreasing. When you are coming to the left hand side, the temperature is going on decreasing. So among this one, the left hand side, Lahore is present, and here if the question is asked that which one is the coldest city, सबसे ठंडी जगह, तो सबसे ठंडी जगह अगर पूछा जाएगा, means that is the Lahore city. So in this way, this question is asked on based on the number line. Now in connection with this one, the topic, first topic you have covered. What is that topic? That representation of integers on number line. Now second topic, that is addition and subtraction of integer. Addition and subtraction of integer. Now as you know, suppose if you have to take any integer, like if I will take minus 8 and plus minus 4. You want to add these two integers, minus 8 plus minus 4. Now in case of integer, how you will add? What is the properties of addition in integer? If you are adding two integers, if both the integers are negative, you are adding to this one integer and here both the integers are negative. If both the integers are negative integer, then here minus 8 and minus 4, addition of 8 and 4 is 12. Addition of 8 and 4 is 12, but minus 8 and minus 4, that is equal to minus 12. The addition will be as it is, but in case of integers, the addition minus 8 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 12. Like here, suppose second example if you will take, that is minus 12 plus 8. Now here in this one, both the integers are negative. Now here in this one is negative, one is positive. So here minus 12 plus 8. आ रहा समझ में, यहाँ पे दोनों इंटीजर्स, दोनों नंबर्स नेगेटिव थे. यहाँ पर एक नेगेटिव है, एक पॉजिटिव है. अगर एक नंबर, if one number is negative and another one is positive, in this case what you have to do? You have to do the subtraction. You have to do the subtraction. It means if one number is negative and another one is positive, you have to do the subtraction. In subtraction, you have to subtract as it is. Like if you have to take 12 and 8. You know that 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. But in this case, here 12, which is greater number with negative sign. So here the answer of this one is equal to minus 4. So here it will be, means subtraction you have to do first as it is, जैसा करते हो, जैसा करते आए हो वैसे subtraction करना है. लेकिन subtraction करते समय जो नंबर बड़ा है उसका साइन लगाना है. ये हमेशा ध्यान रखना कि 12 और 8 में 12 बड़ा है और 12 के आगे नेगेटिव साइन है, तो उसका साइन लगाना है. सो हियर द आंसर इज minus 12 plus 8 is equal to minus 4. Second one, third question. Third question है to see that 12 plus minus 20. Again here in this one, here it is 12, you want to add minus 22. So again one number is positive and another one is negative. If one number is positive, another one is negative, in this one what you have to do? You have to do the subtraction. तो again जो नंबर बड़ा है 22 में से you have to subtract 12. तो 22 minus 12 that is equal to 12. 22 minus 12 that is equal to 10. But as you know that 22 is greater. 22 बड़ा है, उसके आगे माइनस साइन है, you have to put the minus sign. So here you will get the answer is equal to minus 10. Again you have to see the fourth question. That fourth question, suppose if you want to do 18 plus minus 6. 18 plus minus 6. This is all the case of addition. You are doing the addition of this number. सभी में हम addition कर रहे हैं. Addition of integer. So addition of integer, 18 plus minus 6. And again, what you have to do? 18 and minus 6. One is positive, another one is negative. ये हमेशा ध्यान में रखो, एक नंबर अगर पॉजिटिव है, if another number is negative, you have to do the subtraction only. So in this case, again 18 minus 6 that is equal to 12. Now इन दोनों में से कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है? 18 बड़ा है. And 18 is greater, and before 18 plus sign is there, so you have to put the plus sign. It means the final answer will come to 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. So main point that if both the numbers are negative, then you have to add the number and write the negative sign. And second one, if one is positive, another one is negative, then you always do the subtraction only. अगर एक प्लस है और एक माइनस है, तो हमेशा माइनस करेंगे. माइनस करते समय बिल्कुल सिंपल मेथड में बड़े में से छोटा नंबर माइनस कर दो. डोंट सी द साइन. साइन मत देखो पहले. Only subtract 12 and 8. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. And then the number which is greater, दोनों में जो नंबर बड़ा है और उस बड़े के आगे जो साइन है, वो साइन you have to put in an answer. So here like this one, minus 4. In this case also 12 plus minus 22. Again one is plus, another one is negative. The plus and minus you have to do the subtraction. तो 22 में से 12 गया, 10 बचा. 10 and here this 22 greater with negative sign, so you have to put the minus sign. Again in this two question, 18 minus 6 that is equal to 12. You will get the answer 12. Now come to the case of subtraction. Come to the case of subtraction. In subtraction, first one suppose, come to the case of subtraction. Suppose minus 8 minus of minus 4. minus 8 subtract minus 4. minus 8 में से minus 4 subtract करना है. Now in this question, how to do the subtraction? In case of subtraction, you have to open the bracket. How you will open the bracket? See, it is minus 8. Write down minus 8. Then minus sign is present outside the bracket and minus sign is present inside the bracket. Actually here it is the case of multiplication. In multiplication, here there is no sign, means minus and minus you will get plus 4. Minus and minus you will get plus 4. And therefore you will get, now here it is minus 8 plus 4. अब जैसा मैंने बताया था कि एक नेगेटिव साइन है और एक पॉजिटिव साइन है, तो अगेन यू हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट दिस वन. 8 में से 4 गया, बचा 4. और 4 के 8 जो बड़ा था उस बड़े के आगे नेगेटिव साइन था, इसका भी आंसर आ जाएगा माइनस. So it means -8 of -4, you will get -4. Second question. 12 minus of 12 minus of -3. 12 minus of -3. ये जो 12 है, 12 में से तुम्हें एक्चुअली यू वांट टू सब्सट्रैक्ट -3. 12 में से -3 को सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है, ये सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है. सो अगेन व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू कि जैसा मैंने बताया, फर्स्ट टू ओपन द ब्रैकेट. ब्रैकेट ओपन करते समय देखो कि अंदर और बाहर कौन सा साइन है. सो हियर 12 और माइनस दोनों माइनस और माइनस मिलके क्या हो जाएंगे, प्लस. In case of multiplication, minus and minus will be plus. So here you will get 12 plus 3 and this answer is equal to 50. The answer is equal to 50. Third case, suppose -18 में से 5 को सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है. -18 में से सब्सट्रैक्ट +5. अगेन सेम प्रोसीजर, यू हैव टू ओपन द ब्रैकेट. फर्स्ट हमें ओपन ब्रैकेट करना है. कैसे करेंगे, ये जो 18 है, 18 सपोज ब्रैकेट में है, तो ये जो 18 है, इस 18 के बाहर प्लस साइन है, तो प्लस और माइनस दैट इज -18. ये हो जाएगा -18. ये माइनस है और इसके पास कोई साइन नहीं है. So first I told you, if there is no sign is present here in the inside the bracket, there is no sign, it means that will be considered as a plus. इसको हम प्लस के रूप में कंसिडर करेंगे. तो ये प्लस और ये माइनस, दिस इज प्लस एंड माइनस विल बी इक्वल टू -5. तो here -18 and minus of -5. माइनस, ये प्लस और माइनस मिलके, यहाँ पे माइनस और माइनस मिलके प्लस हुआ, यहाँ माइनस और प्लस मिलके माइनस होगा. तो हियर इट इज -18 -5 दैट इज इक्वल टू, अगेन जो मैंने पहले बताया था, इफ बोथ द नंबर्स आर नेगेटिव देन यू हैव टू ऐड दैट नंबर. अगर दोनों नंबर सेम साइन के हैं, यू हैव टू ऐड. तो 18 and 5 is equal to 23. 18 और 5 मिलके क्या होगा, 23. लेकिन ये भी माइनस है, ये भी माइनस है, तो माइनस और माइनस मिलके हो जाएगा -23. मीन्स -18 -5 is equal to -23. So in this way we had to do the subtraction. It means in case of subtraction, the first step to open the bracket. ब्रैकेट ओपन करने के लिए हमें देखना है कि बाहर और अंदर, ये जो ब्रैकेट बना हुआ है, इस ब्रैकेट के अंदर और बाहर which sign are present. In mathematics, sign is very important. प्लस एंड माइनस दो ही साइन है, प्लस और माइनस, either division or into. तो इस तरह ये जो दो साइन है प्लस और माइनस के, तो हमें देखना है कौन सा साइन प्रेजेंट है. इफ माइनस एंड माइनस इज प्रेजेंट, ब्रैकेट के अंदर भी माइनस है, बाहर भी माइनस है, तो माइनस और माइनस मिलके, ये दोनों का एक्चुअली हम यहाँ पे इंटू करते हैं. व्हेन यू विल डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन, दिस माइनस एंड माइनस विल गेट प्लस. और जैसा कि मैंने पहले बताया कि -4 और -8 और +4, एक नंबर नेगेटिव और वन नंबर इज अनदर नंबर इज पॉजिटिव. यू ऑलवेज डू द सब्सट्रैक्शन. बड़े में से छोटा नंबर माइनस कर दो, बड़े में से छोटा माइनस करेंगे, 8 में से 4 गया 4, और यू ऑलवेज पुट द साइन ऑफ ग्रेटर नंबर. जैसे यहाँ पे 8 बड़ा है, 8 के आगे माइनस साइन है, यू विल गेट माइनस. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप, ओपन द ब्रैकेट. And the second step, according to this one, according to the sign, you have to do the subtraction or addition given. Now in this addition and subtraction, now see the second question. This is the second question. Now first you have to read this question very carefully. What is the question? That in a quiz competition, एक quiz competition हुआ, टीम ए स्कोर, टीम ए और टीम बी दो टीमें थी. टीम ए स्कोर, टीम ए को जो मार्क्स मिले -40, 10 एंड 5. 3 राउंड हुआ. देयर आर 3 राउंड इन ए क्विज. पहले में -40, देन 10 एंड देन 5. टीम बी स्कोर, टीम बी ने जो मार्क्स मिले 10, 0 एंड -30. In this way, 2 teams are participated in the quiz competition and both the teams scored the marks like this. Now, what is the related with this question? If 3 successive rounds are present, which team scored more marks? तीनों राउंड में खेलने के बाद कौन से टीम को ज्यादा मार्क्स मिले? Now, how to solve this question? Now you have to see the solution. That first you have to write that team A scored, team A को जो marks मिले वो है -40, 10 and 5. Now these are the integers. Now just I told you that addition and subtraction of integers. So here it will be -40 plus 10 plus 5. Now how to add this integers? You have to see that this number -40 write down as it is. This is plus 10 and plus 5. These both the numbers are positive. So 10 and 5 that is equal to plus 50. 10 plus 5 that is 50. Now अभी मैंने बताया कि अगर एक नंबर नेगेटिव है एक नंबर पॉजिटिव है. If one number is negative, another one is positive. What we will do? We have to do the subtraction. हम माइनस करेंगे हमेशा. तो माइनस करते समय एक ही रूल अपनाओ कि बड़े में से छोटा नंबर माइनस कर दो. डोंट सी दिस साइन. ये साइन को अभी हम छुपा लें. सिर्फ दिमाग में रखो 40 में से 15 को 15 को माइनस करना है. Now 40 minus 15 that is equal to 25. But this 25, which sign you will put in the answer? Now 40 और 15 में से 40 बड़ा है. Which number is greater? 40. And if 40 is greater and minus sign is present here, so this number is -25. It means the total score by team A in all the 3 successive round is equal to -25. Then come to this team B. For team B scored the marks how much? 10, then 0, then -30. In 3 rounds, first round, second round and third round. Now the question is again which is scored means more marks. It means again you have to do the addition or subtraction whatever it is. Now you have to do the addition. 10 plus 0 and -30. 10 plus 0 minus 30. Now as you know 10 plus 0 10 और 0 अगर हमने ऐड किया you know that is equal to 10 and this is -30. Minus. Now 10 minus 30. Again one number is positive, another one is negative. If one number is positive, another one is negative, you have to do the subtraction. Subtraction करना है. Subtraction करते समय हमेशा बड़े में से छोटा नंबर माइनस कर दो. So 30 and 10, it means it is 20. And now put the sign of greater number. ये 30 बड़ा है. 30 के आगे minus sign is present. So here it is -20. Now here -25 scored by team A and -20 scored by team B. Now our question is that which team scored more marks? Now here -25 and -20, that is the comparison between two integers. Now here -25 and -20, sorry, you have to write here this is team A and compare team B. Team A scored -25 and team B squared minus 20. Now, as in the number line, if you will draw the number line, you know that suppose this is 0 and this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, then minus 20. Like this, if you will write the number, then you have to see that when you will go to the left hand side, you are going on decreasing the number. जैसे जैसे हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जाएंगे वैसे वैसे नंबर छोटा होते जाएगा और जैसे जैसे हम आगे जाएंगे गोइंग टू दिस साइड राइट हैंड साइड में जाएंगे नंबर बड़ा होते जाएगा. अब देखें -25 और -20 में विच इज प्रेजेंट वेयर. नाउ अगर हम इस नंबर लाइन पे अगर हमने ड्रॉ किया तो हम देखेंगे -25 यहाँ कहीं आएगा और -20 यहाँ कहीं आएगा. अगर इन दोनों में कंपेयर किया तो कौन सा नंबर बड़ा होगा? -20, क्योंकि ये पहले आ रहा है, 0 के इधर आ रहा है, राइट हैंड साइड में आ रहा है. तो जो नंबर राइट हैंड साइड में होगा वो बड़ा होगा और जो नंबर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में होगा वो छोटा होगा. इट मीन्स -25 और -20 में से अगर हमने देखा तो -25 is less than -20, means team A is less than team B. यानी इन दोनों टीम में किसका स्कोर ज्यादा है? टीम बी का. ये पॉइंट बहुत ध्यान रखना कि दोनों नंबर को नंबर लाइन पे लिखो और नंबर लाइन पे लिखने के बाद देखो कि उन दोनों में कौन सा नंबर राइट हैंड साइड में है. जो नंबर राइट हैंड साइड में होगा वो नंबर बड़ा होगा. इट मीन्स टीम बी A is less than team B. It means the answer is which team scored more marks? Team B scored more marks. Thank you.